Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's JayLa'Shay, and as you guys can tell by the title today, I am doing an Amazon Prime wig haul. You guys, this was highly requested. It is a unit that I have on my head right now. But like I said, it was highly requested, so I wanted to go ahead and hurry up and do this video for you guys. So yeah, but if you are new, welcome you guys, and also do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I mean, like, why not? And I'm so happy, you guys, because as you guys can tell, I am past 100 subscribers. It took me forever, but you know, hard work and dedication, it'll get you there. So yeah, let's get into this video. So first I want to point out that the hair did come out in this beautiful box. Inside you will see some lashes. These are kind of cute, you know, in Poppington. They'll also have a wig cap, and then I have a velvet, you know, satin strap that holds down the edges. I don't know what they're called. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I have one of those. And then, of course, you know, I have the wig. This unit is so beautiful. So first I want to get into the details of the hair. The hair is about 22-24 inches. I'm not sure the density. I want to say it's thick enough. Like, I think it's thick enough. It's mine. Like, I like thick hair, and I felt like I was satisfied with it. So, but I'm not sure the density, so don't hold me to it. The wig is synthetic as well. I haven't worn a synthetic wig since like spring / the beginning of summer, so this is like my first synthetic unit back. And I will say, you guys, the one thing that I really liked about this wig is that like the lace, the plucking at the hairline was like pretty good. Like, it was pretty decent. Like, plucked some little pieces, but I mean, other than that, it was like really good. They like kind of had it like pre-plucked. There's not really any baby hair, so you had to create it, which I liked because I did very scarce baby hairs. I didn't do the dramatics like usual. And I would say another pro is that like the volume is pretty good. Like, I like the bigness of the hair. I like the flow of the hair. I haven't worn this like deep body wave ever, so like I really like this look. It pretty much is the look that I've been like trying to achieve for like a while, but I'm like really satisfied with it. I do have a few cons, though. I really like this brand of hair because I've ordered from them before, like 2 summers ago, and I really liked it because it is a yucky texture, so it looks a little bit natural. It is shiny when you first take it out the box, but like once you wear it for a while, and I can do an updated review if you guys like, but if you wear it for a while, it kind of like looks way more like natural and like an actual hair color. I think it's the shine that kind of like throws it off a little bit, but it's cool. Like, you can't really tell. Like, it looks really good, but I just like the worn out look of it because it looks like it's coming from my head. I would say a con is the lace was so freaking light. Like, the lace was so light that like it took me a while to like blend it at the hairline, and then like the part I had to try like multiple different products. Let's just put it that way. So I'm not sure if you could request a darker lace or what. I haven't tried that. Like I said, I just ordered the wig to see what it looked like. I just needed something for everyday wear because I was trying to put my hair up. Another con, but it's obviously expected, is that the hair tangles quite easily, but with this length and this curl, it's expected. So I wasn't really like tripping off of that too much, although it is freaking annoying because I'm trying to be bad all the time. But the hair is synthetic, so like you might want to like carry a brush on you, because that is like the one issue that I think I have with this wig when I noticed the first day I had put it on, was that it tangles. And I will have the link below for this hair, especially because everyone literally has been asking me where I got this wig from, like everyone, and I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. So I actually probably am gonna order from them again, and I will give you guys an update on this hair. But like overall, sis, like baby was looking like Shorty was a goodie. Like, Shorty has been definitely a goodie lately. Like, this is my go-to. I might have to get another one of these, so I will highly recommend this wig. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment them below. If you want me to try any human hair or synthetic hair or wigs, just let me know below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.